Yo, hey there, what's poppin', guys? You wanna do some crazy stuff in Scratch? Oh my god, that's actually insane, because I know a bunch of crazy things you can do. How about you shut up so I can tell you them? Alright, let's go. I bet you didn't know this. If you go over to the sensing tab and grab that if key, space press, you could definitely change that to literally any button, and I mean any button. That means it could be like shift, caps lock, tab, escape, control, alt, delete, your Windows key, your command key if you're on a Mac, the power button on your mom's computer. I don't know, any button, man. It's anything. Wait. What are you doing? Wait, no, stop. Calm down. Stop. No. Oh my god. Ever making some beautiful art in Scratch and you want to make a straight line, but you can't make a straight line? You start getting angry and hyperventilating, and your cat gets scared because you can't make a straight line? Just hold shift. Straight line. What are you doing? No, stop. I said stop. Calm down. Calm down, please. Oh yeah, by the way, this also works for circles and squares. Okay, next one. I bet you're one of those nerds that uses variables for your clicker game or something. What a nerd. You don't need variables ever again. Get those variables out of here. They're useless. They're garbage. They're so icky. Just use a list. It's the same thing, except it can store 200,000 of them in one. Why are you using variables? Stop doing that. It's so much easier. Look at this. Put that little bit of code in there. Bam. Look at that. Run some zeros. Pretty easy, right? Now I have a little button. Boom. There it is. Let's see. Let's look at your inferior variable. Oh, bam, look at that. What's that? You click it and it goes up. Oh, that's crazy. Get rid of that. Delete that. Put that in there instead, and then it looks a lot better. Look at that. Instead of a variable, you have one list, but there's 10 options you can do. It's incredible. Well, stop using variables. Ever wanted to zoom in on a picture really far? Like really far? But you can't zoom in all the way because Scratch won't let you? Well, that's really easy. Go make a sprite, make the first costume, get the smallest little bit of ink right there, and put a dot. That's not small enough. Zoom in a whole bunch, and then make that dot smaller. And then zoom in a whole bunch, and then make that out smaller, and then zoom in a whole after you've zoomed in a whole bunch. Look at that. Now you see me. Now you don't. Look at that. You can barely see it. How's it gonna zoom in? Just shut up so I can explain to you. Make a new costume for that, and then draw what you want to draw, and then set up that code. See how it goes from the first one, and then zooms in a whole bunch, and then to the second one. Now look at this. Oh, isn't that crazy? Wait, let's try to move it. What? Oh, no, stop. You're gonna have a seizure. People have epilepsy. Stop, no. People have epilepsy. Oh my god, stop. Oh my god, no, stop. You can't do that. Are you okay? Are you good? Alright, cool. You're an edgy gamer, right? You make FNAF games, right? You want to make an interesting jump scare noise without just copying Scott's? Let me show you how. First, just scream into your microphone when you record something. Perfect. That was amazing. Now just hit the robot button like a lot. After you hit it a whole lot, then make it really loud, and hit the robot button again. Repeat this process over and 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 over. Ah, perfect. Look at that. Look at all that pink right there. You want that to be completely full. You want to hear it. Headphone warning. Look out. Oh, don't you just love that? Oh, that's definitely going to scare some people. Alright, cool. That's all I got. Subscribe, nerd, bye.